Hello there. Good morning. Welcome to our online English class. First, let me ask you a question. If you can see me clearly. Okay. Can you hear me well? That's good. Is my talking speed okay? Or should I speak slower? All right. So now, by the way, my name is Teacher Claire and I am from the Philippines. How about you? What is your name? Wow, hi, nice to meet you. Now let's go and start with our lesson today. Are you ready? All right, therefore, listen to me and look at me. Okay, so let me just share to you my screen. Do you see my screen now? Okay, so for our lesson today, we will have lesson 1. Okay, so do we have the same textbook? Excellent. And the title for our lesson today is What do you want to do? Please repeat. Very good. And for our this week's phrase, we have I want to. Please repeat. Marvelous. Now for the first part of our lesson, we will have let's learn new words. So on this part for our lesson, you are going to choose the correct word that matches the picture. But first, let us read and practice the vocabulary. Okay, so you are going to repeat after teacher. Are you excited? That's great. And now, let's go to picture number 1. Letter A, play. Please repeat. Very good. And letter B, sing. Good job. Now let's go to picture number 2. Letter A, eat. And letter B, make. Good job. And now let's move on to picture number 3. All right. Letter A, dance. Please repeat. Very good. And letter B, sing. Good job. And now let's move on to the last number, number 4. Okay, letter A, eat. Please repeat. Very good. And letter B, dance. That's all right. Now let's forward to our activity, which is you are going to choose the correct word that matches the picture. Okay, so now let's go to picture number 1. What are they doing? Is this A, play, or B, sing? Wow, that is correct. It is letter A, play. And now let's move on to the picture number 2. What is he doing? Is this A, eat, or B, make? That's great. Good job. It is letter A, eat. And now let's move on to picture number 3. It is letter A, dance, or letter B, sing. Very good. You are correct. It is letter B. They are singing. And now let's go to picture number 4. Okay, what are they doing? It is A, eat, or B, dance. Very good. It is letter B, dance. Okay, so you did a good job for our lesson today. So I'm sorry. By the way, it's already time. I am happy meeting you today, and you tried your best to express yourself by speaking English. Good job for that. And I think it's already time. See you again for our next lesson, and goodbye for now. Bye-bye.